Johnson Challenge Academy is a place where you come when you want a second chance, you know?
To me, it's a quasi-military based program. They teach you the 5 Academy values: discipline, integrity, courage, honor, and commitment.
The Academy to me is a place that allows youth at risk to turn their life around if they're going down a bad path.
You start seeing the results and you're like, this works. And if a program works, why not do it? It doesn't cost a student anything as far as tuition or anything like that. It gives them a second chance. Given the fact that they are here 5.5 months, they learn a lot of self-discipline, self-respect, and just find out who they are. This is an awesome opportunity to get a second chance.
A lot of the times it was like very frustrating for me because the teachers wouldn't really focus on just you. It'd be more like as a whole, and sometimes there wouldn't be enough time for just like one-on-one.
I was very unmotivated and I hated going to school, so I didn't ever really go.
So every morning I would just hang around in my house, play video games, and yeah, just sit with my girlfriend while she stayed doing school, but I just sat there.
I noticed with myself, I would feel depressed majority of the day because I was lazy. I wouldn't do anything. I didn't feel like I was doing anything with my life, and I wanted to make a change with that.
Back at home, my everyday routine is just it involved drugs and alcohol, or I was always under the influence no matter what. But here, it's given me a totally different perspective being sober and having a clear head, you know what I mean? And just being able to think about things and know that nothing's affecting how I'm thinking, just having a clear mind.
They teach you about how life would work, how to deal with things, how to deal with stress, how to deal with working with people. I played a lot of video games and I was really competitive, so I would get really angry if I was losing. So now it's really just oh, I'm losing, I just kind of go over off to the side and just chill out.
Coming here, taking away the distractions of the friends, the cell phone, the social media, his grades went from C's and D's to A's and B's, and he was so proud. And I feel that once he realized he could do that, his whole confidence level just shot right up.
Being a mentor is great. It helps them get guidance after the program to keep them on the straight and narrow, not allowing them to veer off of the path that they assign for themselves.
I would say that really anyone can do it. You just have to have that growth mindset, that positive mindset, and it's just having the discipline to do what is right. Everything's there. They give you everything that you need to succeed. It's just you're the deciding factor.
I really wanted to graduate high school, and I feel without this program, I wouldn't be where I am today.
And I cut a minute off my mile.
Entire minute?
Entire minute.
One step forward, march! We good? We got nothing on our desk.
Yes, sir.
I feel it's easy to just stay at home and say you're gonna change, but without taking that step to change, there's no point, So I feel coming here would be the right thing to do.
just say, just do it. Don't hold out, don't be scared, just sign the papers, call everyone, just do it.